that, student, how to convert into hours, right? Now here's the question is 30 days. We have to convert 30 days into hours. So we have to remember one thing. In 1 hour there are 24 hours. In 1 day there are 24 hours. So what we have to do, we have to convert 30 days into hours. So what we going to do, we will take 30 days, right, and 24 hours, then multiply these ones, then here your multiplication of 24 and 30. So we can see when we multiply 4 or 2 with 0, we will take here 0 and 0, then 3 4s are 12 here, and 1 carry to 2, 3 2s are 6, then 1 carry becomes 7. So here is the plus 0 2 7. So our answer is 720. 720 hours in 30 days. We are converted the 30 days into hours, right? 720. Now let's take one more example, like 8 days 19 hours. Firstly we will solve this one and then this. Now students, in 1 day 24 hours, right? So here are 8 days. How we solve 30 days? In 1 day there are 24 hours. We take 30 and multiply by 24 multiply 30. Same here. 8 multiply 24. Okay. Now we can see, we multiply the 8 from 24. We got 92 hours. Now we converted the days into hours in 192 hours, right? Now we have to solve this one also, right? 19 hours. So 8 days 19 hours, right? We have converted the 8 days into 192 hours. We have taken here and plus 19 hours. 192 plus 19 equal to 211 hours, right? The whole equation we solved it here by adding the 19 hours to 192 hours, which we have converted the day into hours. Okay, so here's the, just look. Okay, 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 8 days 2, right? 8 multiplied 24 hours, we have multiplied this and we got the hours 192. Then so 8 days 90 hours, how much they have? Like 8 days 192 plus 19 hours equal to 211 hours. So the answer of 8 days 19 hours by converting into hours equal to 211 hours. Okay student, now we are going to convert into seconds. Firstly we learn how to convert in days, how to convert in hours. Now come to seconds, right? In 12 minutes we have to convert 12 minutes into seconds. So in 1 minute 60 seconds. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So there are 12 minutes. What we will do, we will multiply 12 minutes with 60 seconds, right? 12 multiply 60 seconds equal to 720. How have we done this? Like you can see 12 6, right? 12 6 are 72. We'll take 0 right here. 720 seconds we converted, right? 12 minutes converted into second equal to 720 seconds. Now there is a second example also. If we have like some 4 minutes 32 seconds, we have to convert into seconds, right? So in 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Just earlier I have said these words, right? So how many minutes are how many seconds are there in 1 minute? 60 seconds, right? So in 4 minutes, now we are going to convert it into seconds. So we will take 4 here, 4 minute here and second here. So 4 multiply 6 converted into 240 seconds. Now 4 minutes are converted into seconds, 240, and 332 seconds we have, right? What we will do, we will plus these sums. 240, which means converted minute into seconds, and we have 32 second already, so 32 here, then we plus it. When we add this, 272 second we have. So just look at this sum. 4 minutes 32 seconds. How I done this? Firstly, 1 minute equal to seconds. We have to remember these words, right? 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So then we converted minute into second. 4 multiply 60 second. We got the answer 240 seconds, and then we plus these seconds, right? 240 plus 32. We got the answer 272 seconds after converting 4 minutes 32 seconds into seconds. How to convert into minutes? Question is 4 hours 98 minutes we have to convert in minutes. So firstly we will convert the hours into minute, and then we plus the other minute with this convertible hours, right? So in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Yes, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. In 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So here 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So firstly we have to convert 4 hour. So here we go. See, 4 hour equal to 4 multiply by 60 minutes. Now we got that 240 minutes. Right, we convert that 40 hours into minute. We got 240 minutes. Now there is 98 minutes we have, right? So 4 hours 98 minutes. We convert that 4 hours into 240, and 90 minutes we have 98. Then we plus these, right? When plus these two sums, we have 338 minutes. So after converting the 4 hours into 4 hours 98 minutes into minutes, we have 338 minutes after converting 4 hours 98 minutes. Thank you, students.